The Blue Line is a 26.93-mile-long Chicago L line which extends through the loop from O'Hare International Airport at the far northwest end of the city, through downtown via the Milwaukee-Dearborn subway and across the west side to its southwest end at Forest Park. With a total of 33 stations on the Forest Park branch, 9 in the Milwaukee-Dearborn subway and 13 on the O'Hare branch. It is the longest line on the L system and second busiest, with an average of 186,796 passengers boarding each weekday in September 2012. The Blue Line and Red Line are the only two L lines to provide 24-hour service year-round. The Blue Line is also one of only two lines with more than one station with the same name, with the Green Line being the other. It has two stations at Harlem Avenue, one in the Kennedy Expressway on the northwest side, and one on the south side of the Eisenhower Expressway in Forest Park, Illinois. It also has two stations on Western Avenue, one on the Milwaukee Elevated and one on the Congress branch. The Blue Line also has only two in-system transfers, contains a combination of both the oldest and newest portions of L tracks, and does not share tracks with any other L line. Before the adoption of color-coded names, the Blue Line was referred to as the West-Northwest Route, or more commonly, the O'Hare-Congress-Douglas Route for its three branches. The Congress and Douglas branches were renamed for their terminals, Forest Park and 54th/Cermak, when the current color naming system was adopted in 1993. Blue Line service on the Douglas branch was discontinued in April 2008 and replaced by the Pink Line. The Blue Line is one of 5 L lines that run into Chicago suburbs, with the others being the green, purple, pink, and yellow lines. The Blue Line actually runs through 3, making it the rail line that runs through the most suburbs on the Chicago L system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.